In today's lesson, I am explaining to you successive percentage increase and decrease. So, the formula for the successive percentage increase is we have to find the percentage and then we have to add it into the original value. So, the question is increase 100 by 10%. Increase 100 by 10%. So for this, first of all, we multiply 100 by 10%. So we multiply 100 by 10 over 100. These two zeros are cancelled by each other and it is equal to 10. Now we add this value into the original value. That will give us a new value. 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110. So now we increase it by 20%. Then increase by 20%. So we are increasing it again to 20%. So for this we take another step here. So we multiply 110 by 20 over 100. That is, if we cancel two zeros, this 0 by this one and this 0 by this one, then we have 22. So 22. Now we add for again new value. We add 110 and 22. So it will give us 132. That is our final answer. For sake of practice, we take another example, decrease by 20% and then by 10%. So we assume the original value we have 100. Okay, so original value we have 100. We write down 100 here. That is our original value. Our original value is 100. Now we decrease 100 by 20%. So we have 100 times 20 over 100. That is equal to 20. New value is 100 over 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80. Now we decrease it by 10%. So for this we have 80 times 10 over 100, that is equal to 8. So now our new value is 80 minus 8, that is equal to 72. Now we take another example, decrease by 20% and then 10%. Now value is 500. So first of all we multiply 500 by 20 over 100. We cancel two zeros by two zeros, then it is equal to 100. 5 times 20 is equal to 100. Now new value is 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. Now we decrease it by 10%. So for this we have 400 times 10 over 100, that is equal to 60. Then our new value is, we cancel two zeros by two zeros, and our new value will become 40. Then our original value is 400 minus 40, that is equal to 360.